Hello folks, good evening again. We are here at the grocery again. Okay, what is this? Oh, chocolate banana cake. Banana walnut. Mm, Japanese cheesecake. Sumuling na herbs bread. Anis. Sarap kaya itong American chocolate cake. Galing. We are at the Great World CS grocery, cold storage grocery. I mean supermarket. We have lots. See, seems like see they do that right. They do. Ayan. March 22, 2026. You know, happy Sunday. Yeah, we just had our dinner. Okay. Lovely naman ito, ano? So lovely naman. This is also, this one is Thai food. Sausages. Knuckle, pork knuckle. Almost finished. Some grapes. Grapes, red and white grapes. Okay. Wine. Jumbo. Seedless grapes jumbo. How much is this? Man. Just jumbo. Lots of wine. Here it's a Chinese duck rice and roasted pork. Chinese food. Okay. Here is Japanese food. Annie, where are you? Annie. Don't walk too fast. Lovely. Japanese food. Here is you don't buy Chinese Chinese food. Okay. Okay. March 22 to 26. That's lots of Italian food. Koreans. Down here, lots of bacons, different kind of bacons. There's bacon bits. Okay, that is bacon. Here is ham.
只要买个培根就好，买肉。这个培根在这儿，只要买培根就好。这个。
Virginia ham. Okay, folks. That's some stocks. Down here is herbs. Different kind of herbs. Frozen meat. These are fresh meat. Okay. These are sausages. Oh, honey, you can buy this. You have 50% off. For 50 only. Sausage. Italian sausage. 450 only, oh. 450 is supposed to be almost 10. You can buy.
But nice or not?
Yeah. Long time na po yung sausage. I think we like also. Yeah, chicken. There's lots of chicken. They have black chicken here. Okay. Down here, this is the pork that I used to buy for the hot pot. This kind of pork. And, well, we don't eat beef because this is we don't eat beef. I also the same. I adapted also. I don't feel like eating beef also. Once in a while. So cheeses. Lots of cheeses here. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we are the Great Wall City Mall, Singapore. Okay. Yeah, pickles.
有吃的是吧？那你要买小一点的吧，那点小一点。
That's 49. Okay. Salmon's here. Okay. There's some fresh prawns, jumbo prawns. And down here is Japanese. Okay. Okay. Japanese. Japanese. Oh, no fase na. Fase, I want to buy this. Japanese food. Maki, sashimi. Okay. Okay. Okay, folks, down here is wine. Oh, now they have this place already. Where you could, they have a bento where they have table now where you can dine in. Wow. The table now, you can dine in inside the supermarket. Honey, don't buy so much because we have a lot at home already. We still have this. I'm not buy that one. Honey, you want dumpling? Let's do one. We need different kind of one. Thank you. That side lang. Ito vibrant. Okay. There's some bagels here. I love bagels. Yeah, now this is new. They have a new, you can dine in here. Dining. You need to buy, here honey, you need to buy cooking oil. You need to buy cooking oil. I need detergent. You need to buy detergent. Cooking oil. Okay. Yes. Cooking oil. Buy cooking oil. 2 liters. Cooking oil. Best food. Magkano ito? Gusto ko ito. No, we have shampoo. Oh, soap. Soap. Yeah. Okay.
So you want this biscuit?
That's for tonight. Okay. Yeah, the CS grocery. I mean supermarket. See supermarket. Honey, come, let's go. See supermarket. Yeah, March 22, 2026. Happy Sunday, folks. Singapore. Great Wall. City Mall, Singapore.